Hello everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves. I have come again with this MK220 Logitech Ecomo pack of keyboard and mouse. I have already made a video on MK240 a Nano combo pack of mouse and keyboard, so go and check out the link in the description. So let's check out this. We have got some documentation, a mouse, a battery cells, and here is our keyboard. You can see here a compact space saving keyboard which has a low profile keyboard, features a standard layout and has a full size of number pad. It's a black finish and it is a full plastic body. On the back side you can see here an adjustable stand, very resistant design, and our mouse, it has a compact comfortable mouse, a shape that fits your hand plus smooth responsive cursor control. This mouse is a full size mouse, HD optical tracking. You can see it has a plug and play USB connection, so no extra software installation. Insert the battery cells and connect. The mouse has 3 buttons: right click, left click, a scroll wheel. On the back side, here's the light indicator. Here's the batteries, 2 cell batteries it needed. So let's check its connectivity. So here is our receiver. Just connect this and you can see here is our cell holder. We have to insert our battery cells. Insert the cells. Yes, it's ready. And same as for the mouse also. You can see I have inserted this 2 battery cells. Now connect. The cursor is moving. Let's open some browsers. Yeah, the cursor is very responsive. The Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, so it's a fast data transmission, no delays or dropouts. You can see it has a 10 meters of wireless range. Very responsive cursor control. Okay, now let's check our keyboard. It is stay very responsive. So overall, this both connection is keyboard and mouse stay responsive and great for home or office use, and the connection is very simple. Just plug in the nano USB receiver and you're connected. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection provides a strong and reliable signal with up to 10 meters of range. About its battery life, it says this keyboard lasts for 24 months and this mouse will last for 12 months. So the battery life is good and also has a plus auto sleep mode also. So this MK220 keyboard and mouse is a compact, space-saving design, silent and comfortable typing, strong wireless connection and long battery life with great value for money. And the drawbacks is it has the mouse may be too small for some users. So and no media shortcut keys, no backlighting on keyboard. Logitech MK220 combo is a very good and worth it product. Looking for affordable wireless keyboard and mouse, set this job done. So without extra fluff, this is a great pick. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest from Techno Waves. Drop your questions in the comments below and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.